Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Burn Fat with HIIT Part 2. As you can see, HIIT can help you burn fat and lose weight by boosting your metabolism, improving your insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism, and stimulating your fat-burning hormones. But how do you do HIIT, and what are the best exercises to choose? Well, the good news is that you can do HIIT with almost any type of exercise, such as running, cycling, jumping rope, or doing bodyweight movements. The important thing is to vary the intensity and the duration of the intervals, and to choose exercises that you enjoy and that challenge you. To give you an example, here's a simple HIIT workout that you can do at home with no equipment. All you need is a timer and some space. This workout consists of 4 exercises: burpees, mountain climbers, squat jumps, and plank jacks. You will do each exercise for 20 seconds, followed by 10 seconds of rest, and repeat for 4 rounds. This will take you only 4 minutes, but trust me, it will make you sweat and burn fat like crazy. Here are the instructions for each exercise. Burpees. Start standing with your feet shoulder width apart. Bend your knees and place your hands on the floor. Jump your feet back into a plank position. Do a push-up, then jump your feet back to your hands. Stand up and jump in the air, clapping your hands overhead. That's one representative. Repeat as fast as you can for 20 seconds, then rest for 10 seconds. Mountain climbers. Start in a plank position, with your hands under your shoulders and your body in a straight line. Bring your right knee to your chest, then switch and bring your left knee to your chest. Keep alternating your legs as fast as you can, as if you were running in place. Keep your core tight and your hips low. Do this for 20 seconds, then rest for 10 seconds. Squat jumps. Start standing with your feet shoulder width apart. Bend your knees and lower your hips into a squat position. Keep your chest up and your weight on your heels. From the bottom of the squat, explode up and jump in the air, landing softly on your feet. That's one representative. Repeat as fast as you can for 20 seconds, then rest for 10 seconds. Plank jacks. Start in a plank position, with your hands under your shoulders and your body in a straight line. Jump your feet out to the sides, then back to the center. Keep your core tight and your hips low. Do this for 20 seconds, then rest for 10 seconds. That's it. You have completed 1 round of the HIIT workout. Repeat the whole circuit 3 more times, for a total of 4 rounds. You can take a longer break between rounds if you need to, but try to keep it short. You can also modify the exercises to make them easier or harder, depending on your fitness level. For example, you can do regular squats instead of squat jumps, or do push-ups on your knees instead of on your toes. So, there you have it. This is how to burn fat with HIIT, and a simple HIIT workout that you can do at home. By doing HIIT regularly, you can improve your fitness, health, and body composition in a short amount of time. Just remember to warm up before and cool down after each workout, and to drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. And always consult your doctor before starting any new exercise program, especially if you have any medical conditions or injuries. Thanks for watching. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos.